tell it to you like it is. At Conoco, we start deep, tame a well, and bring up the best crude available. Then we roll up our sleeves at the refinery, and we've got some of the best around. This is where Conoco engineers, scientists, technicians give our gasoline all those special Conoco additives. We give you more ride for your money because we put so much into our gasoline. And we do it all with computers. We've got some of the smartest ones in the industry. We give it our best to give you more ride for your money. That's the way it is at Conoco. Hottest brand going.